Okay, so I will be doing one of these problems with you where it does have the two variables. I understand if this could be a little intimidating right now, so let's go through this one and we'll go from there. So we have our 45-degree reference angle, and what does the 3 represent? Hopefully you're saying by now that this is our hypotenuse. What does the x represent? Alright, that's our opposite. And what about the y? Our adjacent. Okay, so we have some options. We have our given information, which is the hypotenuse. So we're going to be interested in all the equations that have to do with the hypotenuse. And we could basically choose right now, which one do you want to solve for first? It doesn't really matter at all. So, but we are going to be solving for both of them. So let's go with the sine function first. So we have sine of theta is equal to the opposite over the adjacent. Over the hypotenuse. So we have sine of the reference angle, which is 45 degrees, is equal to the opposite, which is our x, divided by 3, which is the hypotenuse. How do we solve out for x? Multiply both sides of the equation by 3, and we should get our value for x, which is 2.1. All right, well, what about, so we have our opposite, solve for, and now let's solve for our adjacent. Once again, using the equation that deals with both the hypotenuse and the adjacent, so that's going to be our cosine. So we have cosine of the reference angle is equal to the adjacent divided by the hypotenuse. And the cosine of the reference angle, what's the reference angle? That's 45 degrees, is equal to the adjacent, which is our y, divided by 3. Multiply both sides by 3, and we get y is equal to 2.1. How about that? Both x and y are equal to 2.1. Well, that might make sense because we're dealing with a 45-degree triangle.